Hey guys, Mother's Day is fast approaching and I wanted to show you all a quick video on this super cute yet simple gift idea for any special mom in your life. I used the I Love You Mom stencil from the Best Mom Ever pack because we all know you can't tell mom enough how much she means to you. First, I taped my stencil, and if you're using more than one color, taping over any small details just really helps with preventing any potential bleed over. I like to use black for my lettering because it's so bold, especially against a white background. You only need a little bit of paint on your brush, and I find using a swirling motion really helps with getting the best coverage. If you accidentally grab too much paint on your brush, don't worry, just offload the extra paint on a paper towel. I chose a light green for the leaf details just to add some contrast, and it's a great color for summertime anyway. Peel to reveal your quick yet beautiful design. Now it's time to add this perfect fabric flower that I found, and I just fell in love with it because I loved how the orange just popped with the rest of the colors. This project was so fast and easy. Give your mom something she will smile at every time she sees it on her wall. You can't go wrong with handmade crafts that are made with love. Happy Mother's Day! If you enjoyed this craft, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Keep an eye out for future content on more easy yet fun crafting ideas.